Welcome back, I'm Rachel, and in this video I'm going to go over the structure and function of the femoral vein. Firstly, where is this vein located? The femoral vein is located on the medial side of each upper leg. If we look more closely at the veins from the anterior view of the right upper leg, we can see this vein highlighted in red. If we also look more closely at the veins from the posterior view of the right upper leg, we can again see this vein highlighted in red. Where does this vein originate? This vein originates and receives blood as a continuation of the popliteal vein. This occurs at around the adductor hiatus, which is an opening in the adductor magnus muscle. This vein also receives blood from multiple tributaries. These include the deep femoral vein, the long saphenous vein, the lateral circumflex vein, and the medial circumflex vein. What is the course of this vein? This vein runs from the adductor hiatus superior-medially up the thigh region. As it reaches the posterior of the inguinal ligament, this vein ends by continuing as and draining into the external iliac vein. What is the function of this vein? This vein's main function is in the transportation of deoxygenated blood from the leg to the beginning of the abdomen. From this vein, the blood runs through the external iliac vein and onwards on its way back to the heart. And that concludes this video on the structure and function of the femoral vein. I hope you found it helpful.
Thank you for watching. If you want to support this channel, please subscribe and check out more of my videos.